Live from the world's capital markets, here are the financial headlines brought to you by Options Legion.
Good morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Daily Market Outlook brought to you by Options Legion. Joining me today is Greg from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Greg?
The Aussie dropped 0.3% against the dollar in the last session. The CCI is giving a negative signal. Tesla's stock dropped 1% in the last session. The CCI is giving a negative signal. The dollar-yen pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, rising 0.1%. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal. The pound-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The dollar slipped from a near two-year high as investors digested hawkish signals from the Federal Reserve and wondered whether expected tightening moves in the future have already been priced in. Toshiba set up a special committee to resume a strategic review that could see the Japanese industrial conglomerate go private after shareholders voted down a management-backed restructuring plan last month. Oil prices rose, climbing from a three-week low amid concerns about tight supplies, even after major consuming nations announced plans to release a hefty amount of crude from strategic supplies. The Austrian industrial production will be released at 0700 hours GMT. The US Baker Hughes US oil rig count at 1700 GMT. The UK's CFTC GBP NC net positions at 1930 GMT. The US USDA WASDE report will be released at 1600 GMT. Japan's Consumer Confidence Index at 0500 GMT. Finland's industrial output at 0500 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here at Options Legion, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.